Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub available for sale right now. This can be in your backyard in just the next few days. So we're not going to know what it is until we open the cover, so let's check it out. Beautiful brand new black fabric spa cover, just picked up at the factory today. We're going to lift it up one hand, give it a simple little push back on the hydraulic lifters. All I did was give it a little push back. It's a nice 6-seater hot tub, 84 by 84 inches, made in Fort Wayne, Indiana by the famous Master Spas. This is their Downey Series SE Spa. Once again, 6 seats, 5 bucket seats, 1 deep lounger. So 6-seater hot tub, forest granite, looks really cool. Maintenance free gray resin spa cabinet to match black spa cover, as you already saw. 30 powerful big jets. Some people are looking for 50 and 60 jets, and they don't realize many cases with 2 pumps, when you get 50 or 60 jets, you get weak jets. This thing kicks butt. It is very powerful. Right now it's just heating and filtering. 30 powerful jets powered by 2 big 4-horsepower pumps. Big performance out of this tub. Slightly older than some of the ones I've been selling recently, but it's been fully refurbished. It's a super high-end Master Spa. This spa is in fantastic condition. It's clean. The bottom frame is perfect. There is no rot. It has been well kept, and it's a great tub that can be in your backyard. So we've got a lounger here, guys, loaded with jets. It's a deep lounger. Put your butt down, your feet up, foot lock-ins. Great seat, fantastic seat. Another one with upper neck and shoulder jets, mid, lower, foot jets, more jets. The famous Master Spa, I call it the Gatling gun. It's the Master Blaster. It's like 16 jets built into one. It's unbelievable. I'm going to turn on some jets so you see it. We've got a diverter valve so you can divert pressure stronger to certain areas. Not that you need to. I've just kept it in the center position, which has every jet in the spa on. Topside control, very simple to operate. Nice visual here. You can see it from far away. The digital is very easy to see. This top side's been updated, so it's been replaced. So let's temperature up. We've got very simple. You want to turn your temperature up. There you go. You want to turn it down. You've got your function there. Jets 1, high speed. And jets 2, high speed. So there we go. All those jets power, and just incredible power. I should have filled it up another half-inch higher so we wouldn't hear that little bit of a slurp there. But with normal water level, this is a super quiet hot tub. Look at the performance. It really hops out at you. I'm going to turn the one pump off, and you get to see that Gatling gun down. Look at that. Look, it's shooting all the way across the hot tub. That's the big Master Blaster. It is outrageous. It really is. Whether you're just looking to be on the opposite side and have it hitting you, whether you need to put your chest in front of it, whether you want to float over it, or whether you want to get down in that nice big footwell and put your lower back in front of it. It is crazy. It is fantastic. Foot jets over here in the lounger, neck, shoulder, calf, every type of jet you could want in this tub. Just a great durable tub. I updated it with a brand new heater, so that's important. Obviously, a new $650 fabric spa cover too. The headrests have been recently updated. Brand new filter coming with it. A newer pump added. So this tub is going to last for years and years and give so much enjoyment, including with a set of steps, a hydraulic spa cover lifter that you saw me operate. Very easy for you to lift up and down. It's great for the whole family. Anybody of any age can open the cover easily. It will be secured. You get the secured latches, of course, to go with it. This tub comes with free delivery, warranty, chemicals, indoctrination. This entire package can be landed in your backyard for just $3,200. That's it, folks. We try to get some packages close to the $3,000 figure for, you know, as many people as we can. Obviously, many of our tubs are $5,000 and $6,000. This is a great opportunity to enjoy a wonderful hot tub with fantastic performance that will last for years and years. So we hope you like the video. If you do, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel. So as I add more hot tubs and more videos, how-to videos, I think you'll enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hopefully this Master Spa Downey's SE 6-seater hot tub will be in your backyard. Thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave. Enjoy the hot water.